Good morning everyone. You may have noticed I am not at home, so I am in Ibiza, and oh my gosh, if you could see the view in front of me, it is literally breathtaking. Yeah, so I'm spending a week here and it couldn't have come at a better time, especially if you guys have watched like my previous vlog, you would have seen like what obviously happened, and so this holiday is really needed. I got these new sunglasses, by the way, and they are like a dupe for the Saint Laurent ones, and I only got them for like £12 at GT3. Can you believe? I will link these down below. I got them from Accessorize, but they're so cute. They are like a spit image of the Saint Laurent sunglasses. I just come outside and oh my gosh, it is boiling. I'm currently just editing a video to go live on YouTube. It's a makeup tutorial, so hopefully that will go up today. Today's Monday or today's Tuesday? Today's Tuesday. Right, so gosh, I've got so much to catch you guys up on. Basically my flight got cancelled, so I had to stay at the airport. They put me up in a hotel and then I had to wait like nearly 48 hours for another flight, or 24 hours. I'm so dramatic, but yeah, let me show you this view right in front of me. So we could just like lay here and then look at that. You can see the ocean. So yeah, I'm about to just have my coffee. I'm currently in a bathing swimsuit, so I think I'm gonna switch into a bikini and get some colour, because God knows I need a tan. Like I'm so pasty. But yeah, I'm in Ibiza. So guys, it is now the evening and we are going to have dinner up in the old town. The last time I was here was back in October, so it's really nice to see this place during the day because I actually haven't seen it during the day. Pretty cool. one, it's another beautiful day in Ibiza. I haven't really spoken to you guys, so I thought let me whip out the camera and have a little chin wag with you guys. I'm not sure if I want to continue this vlog because I honestly don't know if it's going to be any good, so I do apologize. It really does depend, like, when I edit this, if it's going to go up or not. So I've just been like laying by the pool. I'm desperately desperately trying to get a tan, but I'm still pasty AF, so yeah, it's just not happening right now. But we have decided to go to the beach today, so we're not going to be staying in the villa by the pool, but we're gonna go out to the beach. So that should be fun. Current bikini situation. This is a set I got from Debenhams. I think they still have it in stock, so if they do, I will link it down below. It's really cool. It's quite nice. So yeah, that's just kind of. Yesterday I went to Nikki Beach. We was there for a while, and then in the evening we just were cooking at home, which was actually really nice. It was also the England vs Croatia game. England lost, boo. But yeah, it was really nice just to chill indoors, and that's it. Another gorgeous view. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready now because it takes me ages. It's like each day is like a whole new outfit. So guys, I haven't really spoken too much today after the whole white party at Nikki Beach. I have just been so hungover. It was like 10 o'clock at night and I was pissed, and I just went straight to bed. And then today it's been hurting me hard. Just wanted to show you my little outfit. It is from Primark, believe it or not, so it's actually really good value for money and it fits really well. What we're gonna do now is, like, coming up to 9 o'clock, we are gonna go to Ibiza Old Town, I think, walk around and then maybe grab like a bite to eat. So pretty chill night, exactly what I want. I want nothing like over the top, and yeah, and just enjoy the atmosphere. So if you don't hear from me, that's exactly what we're doing. We are having steak tonight, and this is my outfit. It's cute here. everyone. Currently got a full face of glam, kind of, sort of, just because I've got some content I need to shoot today, and it's my last day in Ibiza. I haven't vlogged the last couple of days just because just been relaxing really and having fun, and I don't really want to keep whipping out the camera. Plus it's really not fair to the people that I'm with, as they're not really into Instagram and social media, so it's like trying to be present in the moment and, you know, have a good time. So it is Wednesday morning and I'm filming my holiday skincare routine. So it should be fun. It's going to be just a quick short video, and there's also a giveaway in this video. So I've partnered up with Sanaflor and ASOS to give a skincare bundle and £100 worth of vouchers. So hopefully when this goes live the competition will still be up, so definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the comments below, the link to the video. I don't think there's nothing else I can say. I think that's it. I better go now, start shooting before I lose this beautiful lighting. So I'm sweating, currently up in the upper level of the villa, and I've just filmed my skincare routine. I think, did I mention that before? So yeah, now I'm gonna go and sunbathe. I'm so hot, I've been shooting and filming and I'm like, I'm done. So currently here at go-karts. Oh, that looks dirty. Little like bar slash restaurant, and I mean it's pretty nice, like a cafe kind of thing, but the main attraction is the floor. Now I have to show you this. It is so cool. It's like pretty special. Check this out. Basically, I didn't realise before, but I had been here back in October on a press trip. We came to a really lovely restaurant, so I'll link my vlog in the description box below in case you want to watch it. But that was in October, so a lot of shops were closed, and now it's the summertime, like it's buzzing, full of people, all the little streets are open, all the dogs are out, it's so cute. But yeah, just thought I'd say that. It's like going down memory lane. It's really, really nice. So if you guys can see that blue purple light, that's exactly where I had dinner as a group. It was really, really lovely.